Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for joining me for another video. If this is your first time, welcome to GlamTam, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, sis. So today I just really quickly wanted to show you guys how I do my bun style. And this bun has been out here saving lives. Like, I need to wash my hair so bad, but you will never know because the bun hides all types of flaws and everything. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna wash my hair, but the bun can save your whole life, and it can save your whole day from having to do a whole wash day when you don't feel like it. And it's still cute, it's still put together. You can go to work, you can go to the grocery store and run errands, you can go meet your boyfriend's mama, and you will be good to go. So on that note, I just wanted to show you guys how I do this style. So easy and so quick. There's also no added pieces to my hair. This is all my hair pulled up. It takes me like 3 to 5 minutes and I'm good to go. So I hope you guys enjoy, and on that note, let's go ahead and get right to this video because I promise you it's not going to be long. Let me know if you try it below how it goes. Let me know. See you guys later in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so like I said before, my hair is super dirty. It's like day 8 hair, but we're going to take care of that real quick. So I'm just squirting some water just to wake up my curls, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of moisture back to it with the avocado hair milk by My L Organic, and just run that through my hair real quick. So then I just take a brush and kind of start to smooth things out in the front and in the back of my hair. And then I take my good old Eco Styler gel. I love this gel for any type of hairstyle, so puffs, buns, twists, anything like that. I love using the Eco Styler, and I just use it around the perimeter of my hair, so like the front, the back, the sides, and it just helps to lay everything, and sis, it's gonna be laid and it's not going anywhere. So Eco Styler to me is probably one of my favorite gels to use, and it just helps to smooth everything down and hold everything intact. So here is where the bun is going to take place, and I'm using just a big headband to form this bun, and I'm taking it around my head. Then I take it back around the front over my ears and I loop it once. And before I pull anything, I go ahead and push everything in the back up. So that makes it be able to stay on top of your hair. So as you see, I'm pushing everything up to the front as high as I can. And then I'm going to pull it back in the front and just start to pull it as tight as I can, but not super tight, because the tighter you pull it, the smaller your bun is going to be. And then I loop it over the back, and then you see me do one more loop like towards the side, and looping it just helps to like kind of condense everything together. And as you see, everything like on the top is like coming together and condensing together. Sorry guys, like the clip is a little bit out of like range, but now you can see like the bun really formed at the top. And then I just kind of finesse it, pull some stuff, pin some stuff, and you can kind of just see the bun start to form. If you need to use pins, you can. If you need to like fluff it out afterwards, you can, like I do here. And I just kind of finesse it until it looks as big as I want it to look, until it forms and starts to look like a bun. But using the headband and looping it to your satisfaction just helps to give you that desired look. You can make it as high as you want, as low as you want, as big or small, and it just helps to really give you that control. So now, of course, I'm just going to go ahead and lay these edges. Sis, if you're not going to lay your edges, just throw the whole bun away, because laying your edges just really just helps to bring the whole look together. It helps to make it a more polished and finished look, because if your edges ain't done, sis, you might just be looking a mess. So I just use my Eco Styler gel, lay my edges, whoop doo whoop, doo 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 doo, and yeah, that is about all, you guys. So I told you it is super easy, super quick, and we're still laying edges. So there we go. Now she's satisfied. So yeah, that's the final look, and it's super easy, super quick. I promise you guys, if I can do it, you can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that jazz, and I'll see y'all later in the next video. Bye guys.